Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm taking you to Ninh Binh, a province in southeast Hanoi with famous natural landscapes and historical landmarks. Ninh Binh is becoming a popular destination, and many locals describe it as the mini Halong Bay, but I think there's more to it. Here are the highlights of our day trip to Ninh Binh. We joined a group of world travelers from the old quarters Hanoi on a comfy ride in the limousine van to Ninh Binh. V, our tour guide, was super knowledgeable, multi-talented, and quite a comedian. Our first stop is Hoa Lu, an ancient capital city from the 10th and 11th centuries. We visited the temple that honored the first and second king of old Vietnam and learned about the history of the Dinh and Le dynasty. If you are a history buff like me, you will find it's quite fascinating that the Vietnamese love to move capital. I guess you must test out the feng shui of each place before settling into one place. We had a lovely buffet lunch at a local restaurant. They said that Ninh Binh's goat meat is the best because they are organic and free range. If you are an adventurous eater, you should try it out. Next, we admired the beauty of Trang on a relaxing scenic boat cruise on the river. There are 3 routes you can take here. We did the second one, which passed by 4 caves, and it took about 2 hours long. Did you know that Kong Skull Island was filmed here? We saved the most labor-intensive part towards the end of the tour. Hang Mo, or Dancing Cave, is the final destination where you will conquer 500 steps to reach the top of the Dragon Mountain. They say you should touch the dragon for good luck, but I say you need all the luck you can get to squeeze through that crowd.
So I just finished hiking that mountain right there. They said it's 500 steps, but it felt like 1,000 steps of hell. But honestly, the view from up there is beautiful. It's pretty breathtaking, literally. But it was fun though. If you have a chance, you really should check it out. And I picked up 2 new friends today.
Yeah.
That's Sammy and that's Jason.
Hi.
And don't forget to visit the Lotus Pond to get your Instagram-worthy shot before leaving. If you have more time, I recommend staying a night and check out other destinations in this province. Ninh Binh is only showing you a sneak peek of Vietnam's beautiful landscape. Subscribe to follow my travel journey in Vietnam. See you next week.